Welcome everyone to the Revit Mind. Today's video is another Dynamo script video from the new automation series we recently started on the channel. The goal of this series is to share practical tools and workflows that can actually save time in real Revit projects. This script is very simple, but extremely useful if you work on projects that contain linked Revit files. What it basically does is allow you to copy elements directly from a Revit link into your current project. Here I have an architectural project, and inside it I also have a structural link loaded into the model. If we look inside this structural file, we can see different elements like shafts, columns, floors, and many other components. Normally in Revit, if you want to copy elements from a linked file, the process is very limited. You usually have to select elements one by one and manually use copy and paste align to same place. For example, if you wanted to copy all the floors from the linked file, you would have to select every single floor individually. You can't simply use something like select all instances directly from the link the same way you would inside a normal project. So the idea behind this script came from situations like shafts. Sometimes you need to transfer all shafts at once from the structural model into the architectural model, and doing this manually can waste a lot of time, especially in large projects. The script itself is very simple. First, go to Manage and open Dynamo, then load the script file. Inside the script, there are basically two main nodes. The first node allows you to select the linked model that you want to copy elements from. The second important node is the category node, where you choose the category you want to transfer. For example, if we want to copy shafts, we simply select the shafts category. Once we run the script, you'll notice that the shafts are automatically copied into the project. They immediately cut through the walls and floors correctly and behave exactly as expected. It's a very simple idea, but it can be extremely practical and save a lot of production time, especially in large coordination projects. And of course, the same workflow can be used for many other categories like columns, floors, or basically any element you want to transfer from a linked file into your project. And this is the final result. If you enjoyed the video and found the script useful, and you'd like to support the channel so I can continue creating more automation content like this, you can download the script from my Gumroad page. The link will be available in the first comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.